Here at Zest4, we are always looking at ways we can improve our portals and systems to make it easier to do business with us. I'm pleased to announce that from May the 4th, 2021, you will be able to place cloud and connectivity orders via the Zest4 partner portal. If you already place mobile orders with Zest4, you will be familiar with the partner portal. The ordering functionality for mobile is unchanged, but you will now see an option for mobile orders and an option for cloud and connectivity orders. This video is to introduce cloud and connectivity partners to the new ordering functionality. If you do not have a login to the Zest4 partner portal, please contact our onboarding team, onboarding@zest4.com. When you log on, you will be presented with the home screen. Click on Customers and select the correct customer from the list. If you're a reseller partner, you will only see your reseller account in this list. It's useful to know that the contacts we hold for your organisation can be added and edited here. We encourage you to keep these up to date so that we can send communications to the correct people within your business. To add a cloud and connectivity order, simply click on Add C&C Contract. Firstly, you need to enter partner and customer details. Click on Edit to make changes. The partner ref is mandatory and it's for your own PO number. The partner details pull through as the person who's logged into the portal, but you can overtype these if necessary. On the bottom part of the screen, we capture the customer contact details. The customer address is the site where the installation is to be provisioned. Any new addresses that you add here will then be available in the drop-down to select for later orders. Add a new address by clicking here. Please ensure you add the site contact name into the FAO field, as we'll need this for any requirements such as hardware or engineering. And add address. Once you're happy with the contact details, click on Save Changes. Now you can proceed with adding the details of the order. We've separated out the different products into separate tabs so they're easy to find. Let's add some licenses. Click on Edit, select your service type, your product, your quantity, and your term. If you need to add more licenses of a different type, simply select Add and add the different licenses. You can continue doing this until you've added everything that you need, and if any of the lines are incorrect, you can simply delete them by the Remove button. When you've got everything you need in the screen, select Save Changes, and then you can look at the products here to make sure you've added everything. You can then select any of the other tabs to add more to your order. Let's add a bolt-on. Again, Edit, choose your bolt-on type and your product and your quantity. Then you can continue to add using the Add button, or you can remove anything that's incorrect. When you're happy, select Save Changes. Continue adding all the items you require until your order's complete. If you require porting, you've got a copy of the LOA form here to download, as well as a copy of our porting guide. Once you've completed your LOA, save it locally and then you can upload it here. If you have any notes for the team, you can add them here in the Notes section. You are able to add multiple installations with different addresses on the same order. Click to add installation and then you have the screen as before. However, for this example, we're just going to use one installation. If you have any installations you want to delete, they can be deleted completely by using this button here. While you're working on an order, it will appear in your drafts, so you can leave this screen at any time and pick the order back up again later. You can see your orders here in the Cloud menu. Your site ID shows here, And if you've got multiple sites or you just want a quick view of what's contained in the order, you can hover over the view, which gives you that information. If you want to make any changes to your order or you're ready to go ahead and place it for provisioning, you need to click on your ID number, which is the one on the left-hand side in the dark blue button. And this takes you back to the screen you were on before. You're able to make any changes to this as long as it's in draft status. When you're ready to submit the order to the team, scroll down to the contact actions. You can print PDF in order to have a physical copy to sign and email back into the cloud and connectivity team. Resellers will have an auto sign feature. Click to automatically sign the contract without the need for additional steps. Note that any orders auto sign form a legally binding order under the terms of your reseller agreement. And finally, you can e-sign. This forwards a copy of the contract to the email address on the account, so this is the best option for our dealer partners who need to send a copy to their end customer for signing. The customer will receive a copy of the order with a link to click to say that they understand the T's and C's are happy to proceed. Clicking to say they understand and wish to proceed will e-sign the order. For this demo, we will reseller auto sign. The order will now be locked down and you'll be unable to change it. However, don't worry, if there's a need to change the order, the Zest4 team will be able to set it back to draft for you. On auto signing, the contract is moved into with Zest and appears in our internal team work queue. To check the status of your order, use the cloud menu at the top of the screen. You can now see the order in with Zest. If you sent the order by email sign, the order will appear in with customer until the customer has e-signed it, at which point it will move into with Zest. In this queue, you can download a copy of the PDF. You can have a quick summary of the status and any live dates that are set. And you can also look at the order in full by clicking on the dark blue ID button. You will also receive email updates from the team at each stage of the process. Finally, once your order is live, it'll move you to the completed queue and set up for billing. We are confident you will find our updated portal an improvement on the existing ordering process, giving you a quick method to place an order as well as the ability to track your order through the provisioning processes. Don't forget to email onboarding@zest4.com to get set up with login details. If you have any further questions or have any training requirements, then the onboarding team will also be happy to help with these. If you have any suggestions for further improvements on the partner portal or any of Zest4's other portals or systems, please email suggestions@zest4.com. And don't forget to check out our other videos on the Zest4 YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.